Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to run simple linear regression using Excel, and this is another way that I'm going to show you. We have two variables that we need to use the simple linear regression on. So we have the first time visits to websites and returning visits to websites. So I will show you how to do simple linear regression. So you are going to go to data and go to data analysis, and then choose the linear regression from this table regression like this, and click OK, and we choose the range of the y variable as well as the range of the input or x variable, and click OK. And then we get the statistics. So this is the way that is with the use of data analysis. Sometimes you don't have this data analysis, so we're going to add it. So you go to file, then options, look for options, and then go to add-ins. Alright, and you go to analysis toolpack, you click on it like this, and you go to go here, and you tick it like this. You tick analysis toolpack, and analysis toolpack VBA if you want it, and if you can even add these values or these add-ins, it's gonna be better. So this is how we can add the data analysis and run the simple linear regression using Excel 2016. You can do it in other versions as well. If you have questions or remarks, do not hesitate to post them below. See you in another tutorial.